Hey, welcome back. So today's video, it's going to be very interesting. So today we are going to prove how the reciprocal of 0 is equal to infinity. So this one is a logical proof. So let's start. It's easy to understand. So let's see how this works. So first of all, let's divide 1 by 1000. This will be equal to 0.001. So we're trying to prove this thing logically. So now let's move towards the second step. So let's change this denominator from 1000 to 100. So this means 1 over 1000 will be equal to 0.01. Now let's change this 100 to 10. So this means 1 over 10, that will be equal to 0.1. So this means we are decreasing our denominator from 1000 to 100 and from 100 to 10. And we are observing that this value on the right hand side, it goes on increasing from 0.001 to 0.01 to 0.1. So now let's divide this 1 by 1, and we know 1 over 1 is equal to 1. So again we are doing the same thing. We are decreasing our denominator. So here we are decreasing from 1000 to 100, then from 100 to 10, and from 10 to 1. So now let us decrease the denominator a little bit more. So let's divide this one by 0.1. You will again find that this right hand side goes from 1 to 10, which means it's getting increased. So as we move further, we're dividing this one by 0.01, which is a further smaller value as compared to 0.1. And we find that the right hand side, it gets increased to 100. Now let's move a bit further. Now let's divide 1 by 0.001. We'll be having value equal to 1000. Which means that as we go on decreasing our denominator, our right hand side goes on climbing, goes on increasing. So let's represent this in a tabular form. So 1 over 0.1 is equal to 10 as we have calculated. 1 over 0.01 is equal to 100. Same. 1 over 0.001 will be equal to 1000. 1 over 0.0001 will be equal to 10,000. 1 over 0.00001 will be equal to 100,000. 1 over 0.000001 will be equal to 1 million. 1 over 0.000001 will be equal to 10 million. So you can see that this value goes on increasing as we keep on decreasing the denominator more and more. So at last, 1 over 0 will be equal to infinity. So it means that when our denominator touches 0, we'll find this value an infinitely large one. So in this case, we assume that 1 over 0 is equal to infinity. So I hope this makes sense. Do subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.